was he wounded? How was he nursed? Who was the bearded man? How was he wounded? How was he nursed? Next question. Forgive me, said the bearded man in a weak voice. Forgive me, said the bearded man in a weak voice. Forgive me, said the bearded man in a weak voice. Who is the bearded man? Or who was the bearded man? Who was the bearded man? When and why did he beg forgiveness? When and why did he beg forgiveness? When and why did he beg forgiveness? And from whom? When and why did he beg forgiveness and from whom? Was he really forgiven? Was he really forgiven? Who forgave him? Who forgave him? And how? In this way, questions may be set. So students, these were the important questions. You may prepare for the questions, for the examination from the story. The most important questions were 2, 3 and 4. Here these 3 questions given by me were the most important questions. Here now see in the question number 4, forgive me, said the bearded man in a weak voice. Who was the bearded man? Who was the bearded man? When and why did he beg forgiveness? When and why did he give forgiveness? And from whom? Was he really forgiven? Who forgave him? And how? Here these were the questions that will be set from this line taken from the text. Here, if I discuss the question number 4, here who was the bearded man? What type of answer will you give? Who was the bearded man? The bearded man referred to here was the enemy, sole enemy of the Jar. When and why did he beg forgiveness? and from whom? When and why did he beg forgiveness and from whom? When and why? Here now, you will have to prepare the answers from the part of the story. Forgive me, said the bearded man in a weak voice, when he saw that the jar was awake and was looking at him. That is, when the bearded man saw the jar crouching down on the threshold of the hermit and was looking at him. When he saw that the jar was awake and was looking at him. When the bearded man saw that the jar was awake in the morning and was looking at the wounded man, he said this. Why did he beg forgiveness and from whom? Here you have already understood that from the jar, the wounded man begged forgiveness. Why? Why did he beg forgiveness from the jar? After his revival, the wounded man or the bearded man confessed his guilt, what he had wanted to do with the hermit, with the jar. The jar went to the hermit alone without anybody's companion, and on his way back home, the wounded man wanted to kill him on his way back. But when he spent the whole day and when the jar did not return on his way back, the wounded man came out of his secret place or hidden place in order to find out the jar. The bodyguards of the jar recognized him and wounded him. He was badly injured, and the jar nursed him by bandaging and rebandaging his fatal injury and revived him, helped him to revive. And now, in order to express his gratitude towards the jar, the hermit begged forgiveness from the jar. The wounded man begged forgiveness from the jar. Was he really forgiven? Yes, he was really forgiven by the jar. Who forgave him and how? The same answer. Who forgave him? The jar forgave the wounded man. And how? He forgave the wounded man by telling him, or you will have to start answering the question in this way, that the jar was very happy to have made peace with his enemy so easily that he not only forgave him, but he said he would send his own physicians and servants to tend or to nurse the wounded man, and at the same time he would also restore his property or give back his property, restore his property. In this way you may prepare the answers. So students, this is the end of the class, and in my next class I will discuss the textual grammars that I will pick up from the text and you will prepare it for the class with the textbooks and exercise books with pen. Thank you.